Hello. Today we're going to be going over web printing and how to set that up in Print Manager Plus 9 Premium Edition. The first thing we would like to do is go into the Printers tab within Print Manager Plus. Here you can select which printers you would like web printing to occur on, and you can also set it globally by selecting Web. In here, you can turn on Enable Web Printing. You can enforce Windows print permissions on web printing. You can also select here to add a cover sheet to each web print. Include thumbnail on the first page, and you can include a cover sheet in the job cost as well, if you'd like. In our case, we're just going to leave these off. Okay, so let's click OK. Now all printers are set for web printing permissions. This allows users to log into the web portal and web print. So, let's go to the web portal. It'll open it in default browser. We'll log in. All right, so here's the web portal. Obviously, there are a lot of settings and options on here, but today we'll just be going over print and how to set up web printing. First, let's go to settings. There are many features in here for you and your users that you can set. The first thing is we'll go to web print settings. All right, you have printers that you can group within Print Manager Plus, and if you've turned them on for a lot of printers, you can set the grouping by the location field in the driver or the printer properties. You can use printer group name as a location, or you can use a server name as a location. So we don't have any of this set, so we'll leave it at none. The maximum file size of what the student or user can upload, the maximum file storage per user, the maximum total file storage on the server itself, and these files, how long do you want to keep them there for users to print? How many minutes, hours, or days? Right now it's set to 15 days. Then, what types of files are you going to allow people to upload through web print? PDFs, different types of image files, documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. So let's save these settings. All right, now let's go over and click on print. So here you can upload a file. You can select a file to upload, or we can just drag and drop files. So let's drag and drop some files here. Here I have some test documents. So we'll just grab these first 5, and you can just drag them on top. And this uploads the documents to the server. As you can see, they start to upload, and these are the documents that would be saved. So let's take this test doc and print it. Click Next. Here you can select the printer. Obviously, we selected all of our printers. So we'll select one of these printers. It'll tell you the queue. Currently the queue is paused if it's an error, and it'll show you how many jobs are currently in the queue. To the right is a preview pane, which you could flick through pages. This document's 1 page. You can set how many copies. You can set if you want end-up printing, so how many pages per sheet. And you can set up duplex, color mode black and white, page range, and then paper tray. All right, let's click Next. Now the job is ready to be printed. Here it says what printer it's going to, the document title, total pages, and the job cost. And you just click Print Now. That's it. Success. File printed successfully. All right, let's take another document, a larger document. Click Next. Here you could flick through these pages. We'll select a printer to print to, this Canon. You'll notice the queue is ready to be printed to. Make your selections. Let's take a look at end-up printing. You can see how that works. How many pages per sheet? Click Next. And we're ready to print. Total page is 16. Print. And that's it. That is web printing. This allows your users to log in, upload their documents, and print via a web page. Now, this is on your intranet. When you install Print Manager Plus, it sets up IIS and creates this web portal for you internally. You can also outface this using an SSL cert setup. You have two other options. If a student or user logs in here with their iPad, up here there's an actual iPad app that they can download and use for web printing. We also have a web printer driver. This shows up under your printers and devices. So you can select it, and it downloads here. And then we can run this install. And we'll click Finish. Now, if we open a document by itself, so we'll take this Word document, for instance. We'll go ahead, we'll open it, and now we're going to print the document. We're going to select the web printer for Print Manager, print, and we'll get a pop-up. This shows you the document. You can upload it. It will authenticate your username and password with Active Directory. We'll log in, and now we can print. And again, the document is there. We select the printer, click Next, and print. And that works the same way with the iPad application as well. We also do a full token with GDocs and Chromebook. All right. Well, there's web printing. Thank you for your time.